What I've got here is the Aspire Dynamo. Now, don't confuse that with the Magician based in Sheffield. The Aspire Dynamo is a dual battery mod, regulated, that's capable of 220 watts of power and comes in many different colorways. For instance, I have a camo one here. Oh, look at the size of that screen. And there's a purple one I've got here as well. As you can see, it's got a huge screen. I really like this screen. The display is nice and bright and it's easy to use, easy to navigate. One of the biggest benefits of the Aspire Dynamo is that it can take not one, not two, no, it does take three different types of batteries. You've got an adapter in the box where you can put dual 18650s, but it also would take dual 2700s and 21700s. So you've got all of the batteries to choose from. I've got a pair of 2700s in this particular one, and the way that this processes power is absolutely on point. What do you get in the box? Well, let's break it down. Your normal bits and pieces, you get a user manual. I mean, beautiful. You've got your positive up and down buttons on the front, your trigger button is at the side, and you've got your typical carbon fiber sticker saying Aspire and the actual mod's name there. Batteries go in here, and as you can see there, you've got your 18650 adapter. You also get a charging cable with the device. So essentially what you would need is to get yourself a set of batteries from either 18650, 2700 or 21700 choices, and charge them, get a tank, good to go. Let's look at the screen and navigating the menu. Like with all Aspire products, it's 5 clicks to turn the device on or off. So 5 clicks, and the screen slowly warms up, and I really like that. Look at the spiraling pattern. Aspire, and there we go. That's your main menu screen. So you've got a resistance symbol to say about the resistance, you've got amps, you've got volts, you've got watts. So to navigate the menu, all you need to do is press the plus button with the trigger button at the same time. And there we go. So you've got modes, you've got data, you've got system settings, time, about, so you can find out about the device, and it round robins back to modes. Now to get into that mode, click the trigger button. There you go, you've got watt, you've got voltage, you've got temperature control modes, you've got what you need. I've had it for a few days now. I've been using it on and off with a variety of tanks and RDAs, and it stands up to those tests. It works really well. It's a big beast. It's a beast of a mod. And what I really like about it, not only is its size huge because of having the ability to take 3 different types of batteries, but what I really like is the spiral effect on the 510. Now, this brings back memories of every single James Bond film ever made. I also like how big the screen is. It's bright, it's beautiful, you can see all the information you need. I've got the Avatar Mesh Tank Nano here, and I'm screwing that on top just so I can show you just how it performs at 65 watts. Now, like all really good mods, instant power output. You get that 65 watts through those coils instantly. Everything about this mod is nice. It's well put together, it's well made. All right, it's more of a stay at home, enjoy it in the evenings mod due to the size, but it's capable of any style of vaping. Whatever you want to screw on top of it, you will be fine to use. It's a really good bit of kit. I've really enjoyed using it. I'm going to continue to enjoy using it. I haven't found a drawback with this mod at all, and a lot of the time I do find drawbacks. This mod, other than the size, is a sweet bit of kit. So this has been the Aspire Dynamo, not to be confused with the Sheffield-based Magician. I'm going to make it disappear by ending the video. So if you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, check out the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side.